Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be working in my junk journal today. I'm going to be working with some of the supplies that Grabie had sent me. They are a subscription box that comes once a month. I'm going to leave their details below as well as a link over to their website. They have amazing products. If you are into junk journaling or collaging, and you love vintage, this is going to be right up your alley. I did an unboxing of the box that they sent me. I'm going to leave that down below too if you want to check that out, but most of the supplies I'm using today are going to be from them. This is a junk journal that I decided I was just going to do like some collaging in. It was just going to be a really relaxing place for me to just come and spend some time. So this was the first page that I did. And I'm going to be working on, I think I'll do pages 2 and 3 today. I'll work on these together. This kind of fabric ribbon or washi is down because I was trying to cut a page with an X-Acto knife and it went through in some spots. So I just needed to cover that up. But that's fine. I think you'll be able to see some of it in my journaling today. But I think most of it will be covered up. right, guys, here are the finished 2 pages. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I struggled a little bit with this area over here, but I am glad that I replaced it with this. It just looks a little bit simpler, a little bit cleaner. I was able to use the specimen cards, which I really liked. I wanted a more of an overall yellow theme, but I did pull in some pinks here, but I just think it's super cute. I added my little Tim Holtz stickers, and then I added my date stamp as well. This was done on March 30th. So that is it. I'm loving how this is turning out so far. I wanted to let you guys know that if you're interested in doing something similar, I am offering these junk journal starter kits in my Etsy shop. You're going to get the same book that I used here with a bunch of different ephemera to just kind of kick you off. This is a super simple way to start junk journaling or collaging. But let me show you what's going to be all included in the kit. Sorry for that. All right, so like I said, you're going to get the book. It is unlined, unmarked. It looks like that. I think it's about a 5x7 here. Then I've just got some papers. Here's some lined papers that you can put in. So I've got some journaling pieces here, background pieces you can use. A flashcard is included. This flashcard is large, so it could be used as a bookmark if you wanted it to be. It does stick out the top like that. And then in the smaller ephemera bag, got 3 different bags here. So in this bag, I've just got some smaller sized sheets of background paper. 3 in that size. And then 2 in this size. So what you're going to get is kind of a mystery pack. Everything will include this, but it just might be different sayings or different pictures. So just so you know that. I've got 2 additional flashcards here. Got a vintage envelope, a bingo card, a vintage beverage receipt here, another piece of like layering paper, a vintage recipe card, a little while you're out card, a vintage seed packet that's unused, and then some additional layering pieces here. And then in the smallest packet, all right, I've got a little tag here that can be used as a tab. I've got a butterfly, a fairy sticker, a flower sticker. There's a mushroom sticker. I've got 4 different vintage lady stickers. So this particular one comes with these 4. And I did try and vary the colors in each one. I've got a floral cardstock piece. I've got some vintage game pieces here and flashcards. Look like that. There's an additional one here. This is a vintage soda bottle wrapper, unused. Then I've got some layering pieces and some tickets. And then each journal will come with a pen and a paper clip as well. So all of that is available to you. Head on over to my Etsy shop to see the cost for each one. And thank you guys so much for hanging around and journaling with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.